Hi, I'm Max with Western Digital Support, and in this video, we're going to be unboxing the My Passport portable hard drive. These sleek drives come in capacities up to 6 terabytes and also feature a 3-year limited warranty. Let's begin by taking a look at your box. The front of the box displays your drive's capacity, and the back lists all included accessories and lists compatible computers. Now let's open up the box. Inside, you'll find a My Passport drive, a multilingual start guide, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 cable. Please note that not all USB cables are created the same, so you'll want to hang on to this one for fast and reliable data transfers. Let's look closer at this stylish drive. You'll see the WD logo embedded in the enclosure. The matte finish and textured ridges make this drive look and feel nice. On the top, you'll find the cable port. We hope this video was helpful. For more how-tos and tips, visit us online at westerndigital.com/support. Thanks for watching.